Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming prerequisites. Make sure Windows is fully updated and rebooted, because missing updates often block installers. Once done, open Programs and Features and uninstall any older Visual C++ 2015-2019 redistributables to avoid version conflicts. Then download both x86 and x64 Visual C++ 2019 redistributable installers that match your system architecture. Doing these first actions removes common blockers and ensures you have the correct installers ready. You run the x86 installer first as administrator, then the x64, because some applications require the 32-bit runtime even on 64-bit systems. If setup fails, open the %temp% folder and inspect DD Bootstrap. Log for result codes and MSI error details so you know why. Make sure to temporarily disable antivirus, stop the Windows installer service if it's hung, and retry. These steps clear file locks and permission issues. If an installer reports a specific MSI exit code, note it to guide the next targeted fix. You finish by repairing any partially installed redistributables through Programs and Features. Select Repair for each Visual C++ entry and reboot. If problems persist, run dism/online/cleanupimage/restore health, and then sfc/scano to fix corrupted system files that block installation. Once system integrity checks pass, try installing again or use a fresh administrator account to avoid profile corruption. Key tip: if you still get a setup failed error, capture the exact MSI/result code and search for that number when escalating support.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.